just what is this energy healing stuff all about? And how do I use it? How do I work with it? You know, we all have thoughts, we have emotions, but then we have an energy field, and those thoughts and emotions are broadcast in that energy field. And so we also pick up other people's thoughts and emotions. And depending on our thoughts and emotions, they can have, over a period of time, they do affect our physical body. They direct how we think, and they're oftentimes unconscious. So what I do is through meditation, I get in contact with the energy, what I call universal source energy, or divine light, or light, but energy, positive energy, and I channel it through my hands. And I can pick up, as I go over the body, I work with the energy centers, and I clear them out, and then I bring the light into those centers on your body. When I work on my clients, sometimes it's contact. My hands are directly on the body and sometimes above the body. But the healing that unfolds from that, it clears from the subtle energetic dimensions from the body, and it moves into the physical. So the clearing happens mentally, and it happens emotionally, and physically, and spiritually. As part of the energetic energy healing experience, I will guide you to meet with your inner self, your higher self, whatever language you use for that special connection. And that meeting with yourself will bring in intuitive wisdom and guidance for you, as well as getting you in touch with your wholeness, your healing, and what you want to have in your life.